Kebbi, from Kogi, from Ekiti, from Sokoto, from Edo, from Cross River. Thank you all very much for coming to the Center of Excellence. I think they deserve another round of applause. It's Monday morning, and we decided to come and honor all of your traditional institutions, here in Lagos, and to further cement their relationship using this forum as good conduct. The members of the Board of Trustees of the National Council of Traditional Rulers of Nigeria, especially Chairman, Co-Chair, His Eminence, Alhaji Muhammad Abubakar.
Mo kí wa ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí ẹ bá jẹ́ láǹfààní láti gbóhùn mi ní àṣálẹ́. Gbogbo àwọn ọba ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà wọ́n ṣèpàdé ní ìlú Èkó lénìí. Wọ́n ṣèpàdé gbogbo àwọn traditional rulers. Wọ́n ṣe ìpàdé alárinrin. Ṣùgbọ́n ohun tí a mú wá fún yín ni pé ẹ rí ibi tí bàbá Ọ̀yọ́ á fi ibi tí wọ́n jókòó sí hàn yín. Àdúrà tá ń gbà ni pé kí ìpàdé náà kó so èso rere. Kí ìpàdé wọn kó so èso rere. Irú ìpàdé tó ń ṣe, irú ẹ̀ ló yẹ kí gbogbo ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìpàdé tó yẹ kí gbogbo ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó yẹ kán ṣe, òun lélẹ̀ tó ń ṣe lÉkòó yìí. Irú ìpàdé táwọn á expect nìyẹn. Kí gbogbo ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti gbogbo gọ́vùnà mẹ́fẹ̀ẹ̀fà àbí mẹ́jọ tí kí ló kàn wá pẹ̀lú Abdulrasaq ní Kwara. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ represent tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá lè wá. Gbogbo ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá pẹ̀lú àwọn governors wa. Ìpàdé tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe, onírú ìpàdé tí wọ́n jókòó tán ṣe. Kí a mọ ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ wa ń lọ. Àánú yín máa ń ṣe mí. Àánú àwọn ènìyàn mi ń ṣe mí. Mo ní bàbá, mo ní ìyá, mo ní ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo ní àbúrò tó wà nínú ìlú yẹn. Ọlọ́run bá mi máa dáàbò bo gbogbo yín o. Àwa ò lè ti torí pé àwa ti bọ́. Tá lè torí pé àwa ti bọ́ kúrò nínú hílàhílo. Ká máa ṣàdúrà fáwọn èèyàn wa ní o. Ogun ti dé lè kì í ṣe ẹnu lásán. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ ká wò ó. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ó. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ó. Ẹ wo bàbá wa Onírìṣà. The most respective king. Ẹ bó ṣe ń kí gbogbo àwọn ọba kiri. Ẹ rí bàbá Ọ̀yọ́ náà ń bẹ. Àwa ti ń sọ fún yín pé àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ pé ọba Ọ̀ọ̀ni ní number 1. Ẹ wo ibi tí wọ́n gbé bàbá sí lókè. Ọ̀gá Ọ̀ọ̀ni bàbá wa ní ìlú Ọ̀yọ́. Bàbá wa Ọwọ́adé Abímbọ́lá Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ ikú bàbá yèyé. Wọ́n dẹ̀ jókòó ti àwọn ọba wa tó kù lọ́wọ́ sàlẹ̀. Bírú bàbá wa Déjì, Ìwé Ọ̀fọ̀ Adó, gbogbo wọn pápátá, Àrùjá, gbogbo àwọn ọba yẹn tó kù pápátá náà ló wà ń bẹ̀. Pẹ̀lú gọ́vnà ìlú Èkó Sanwó-Olú. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ̀ kó ṣe dáadáa. Mú kí gbogbo wa ẹ ṣeun. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò.
Kebbi, from Kogi, from Ekiti, from Sokoto, from Edo, from Cross River. Thank you all very much for coming to the Center of Excellence. I think they deserve another round of applause. It's Monday morning, and we decided to come and honor all of your traditional institutions, here in Lagos, and to further cement their relationship using this forum as good conduct. The members of the Board of Trustees of the National Council of Traditional Rulers of Nigeria, especially Chairman, Co-Chair, His Eminence, Alhaji Muhammad Abubakar, CFR, the Sultan of Sokoto, and His Imperial Majesty Oba Adeyeye Tokunmus Ojaja, Second CFR, the Ooni of Ife. I want to thank God for all of you, for the unity, for the peace, for the coverage and the brothership that are in between the two of you. Thank you. We can see your leadership also being put forward. This has been your own vision, and we're happy with what we're seeing. But of course, to use the chairman of the National Coordinating Committee, Alhaji Dr. Yahya Abubakar, CFR, the Ipade, and other members of the committee, to also thank all of our traditional rulers. Please, I want to thank all of you that have come here. I do not want to imagine and break protocols. I want to thank all of you that have come from far, from wide, and I give you all big Lagos greetings, especially all my ones from Lagos. You won't be upset that I can't get money from my Yongori to my Lara to my Legusi to Eastapel to I'm trying to do for them Odiru and all of you. You know all the captions to say. So I'm trying to figure it out. Thank you all very much. Thank you all very, very much for coming. To all of our other invitees, captains of industry and other government support people, thank you very much. Gentlemen of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is truly a pleasure and an honor for me to welcome all of you.
The Governor of Cross River State, His Excellency, Distinguished Senator Basi Otu, the Chairman of National Council of Traditional Rulers of Nigeria, His Eminence Alhaji Muhammad Hassan Abubakar CFI, MNI, and the Sultan of Sokoto, Co-Chairman of the National Council of Traditional Rulers, His Imperial Majesty Ọba Dr. Ade Enita Ogurusi Ọ̀dájàtú CFR, the ONE of Ife, the National Coordinator of the Council and Organizing Committee, His Royal Majesty Besunu. 4 years or 4 years is over. There is no retirement age. Once you are a king, you are a king. But let us look at how other African countries handled this matter after independence. As I mentioned earlier, some argue that Nigeria, being a republic, should not constitutionally recognize traditional rulers. They point to countries like France or the United States of America, where no such rules exist. But those systems did not emerge from our own realities. They were not built around our histories, and they cannot answer the questions of our society when confronted. To understand what is possible, we must look to countries that, like us, have had to reconcile modern governance with deep-rooted traditions. Countries that did not discard their heritage to build their democracies. Now let us look at three. Ghana. Ghana's 1992 constitution offers a clear model under chapter 22 of that constitution, article 270 to 277. The chieftaincy institution is explicitly guaranteed by the Constitution of Ghana. Article 270 declares that the institution of chieftaincy, together with its traditional councils, as established by customary law and usage, is hereby guaranteed. Article 271 establishes that the National House of Chiefs must be created, while Article 272 empowers it to advise the government on matters of chieftaincy and customs. The regional houses of chiefs are also provided in the Constitution of Ghana, because Article 276 expressly bans those chiefs from active party politics. Ghana has not erased its traditional leadership. Instead, it has secured it by law as a stable, apolitical partner in national cohesion. If you go to South Africa, South Africa's Constitution of 1996 dedicates Chapter 12 to the role of traditional leadership. Article 211, subsection 1, states that the institution, the statutes and role of traditional leadership, according to customary law, are recognized.
Actually, actually. Hello? Hello? Thank you, sir. Okay. Have it. Okay, where do You have not invited me. You have not invited me.
All our natural leaders and traditional rulers here today, Council of Traditional Rulers of Nigeria, and Almighty has bestowed on you in terms of what expected to see where our royal brothers have been assigned. Please, the aides and personal assistants
should move to the back. Around your seat. For you to sit.
Yes, sir. Okay, Captain, how are you?
The traditional ruler, we are not expected to sit on those seats assigned for our highly respected.
So that's the Amaya that.
Abu Amoni Tiju. Abu Anuba on Tolu. Abu Anuba Oye Lagbo. Abu Jumia Sa. Abu Jumia Padare. Aramiya Wala Palado.
Thank you.